I'm Erika Wilson from Wilson Power Solutions. We're here today at All-Energy and we've been here now over a decade. It's a great show, really busy. The footfall here has been fantastic already and it's only day one. Scotland's a great space for the renewable technologies. There's a lot of business going on here and it's great to see our customers, a lot of customers here on the stand. We've got a fantastic dinner organised this evening as well. And you can really feel the buzz in the air and the excitement in the space, because renewables is where it's all at. This is the growth place now, really.
We finished our first day at All-Energy. It was absolutely buzzing, really busy day. It was lovely seeing everyone. A lot of old faces, but also some new ones that we got to meet today. I was on a panel earlier today talking about the sector growth plan to deliver clean power. That was very busy as well. We had, I think, over 150 people on there, which was phenomenal. We're just having dinner with some customers and some partners, and we've got over 40 people here. Amazing food, amazing vibes, really good to bring everyone together. It's our 80th anniversary this year, so we've got a lot of plans, and it's lovely to celebrate this with everyone because, you know, the growth that we're seeing is because of everyone's good work and the partnerships we've fostered over the years. Absolutely love it.